all your courtship, all the conferences, the counseling and preparations, everything necessary to mold you into a brand new family, now crescendos to this service and the festivities afterward.
We thank you, Lord, for all the love, hard work, blood, sweat, and toil that went into preparing Ashley for this day by the kindness and the love of her grandparents, of her parents, siblings, her friends, all of the cousins, aunts, and uncles that are here today.
Looks so good. Oh man, it looks so good. Oh, Papa.
They say in Eastern tradition that if your heart is good, everything will turn out good. And the heart of the guests who are here is what made us day to be a strong and a beautiful day.
The Hindu wedding ceremony is based on ancient traditions and rituals originating from the Vedas. This wedding pavilion is built to represent the universe. The 4 pillars of the mantapa are actually there to signify each parent of the bride and of the groom.
Do you take Ashley, who is here present, for your lawful wife in accordance with the ordinance of God and the rites of the Holy Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you take Prashast, who is here present, for your lawful husband in accordance with the ordinance of God and the rites of the Holy Church?
Yes, I do.
Prashast and Ashley will hold hands and take 7 steps together, symbolizing their 7 marital vows. Walk with me as we share the responsibilities of respect, honor, and prosperity.
May God crown you with the crown of righteousness, glory, and with good works forevermore.
The Mangala Sutra is tied by Prashast around Ashley's neck with 3 knots. This symbolizes the love and devotion between the couples and their never-breaking bond to each other. As soon as this is tied, Prashast and Ashley are officially married. It's tied! They're officially married! Woo! Please shower them with your blessings! Make some noise!
My job is done. It is your job. You have to take over. And then it is up to you what you can do with him.